Hello friends, this is Vinayak and I welcome you all to your own channel, Guns and Pallets. So friends, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing perfectly fine in this pandemic situation. So friends, in today's video, we'll be discussing about Pressihole brand's SP60 Aries model. Friends, I'm using this gun from past 2 years and trust me friends, from 2 years, almost 2000 shots has been shot with this gun, but the gun is still accurate. So in today's video, we'll be discussing a detailed review on this video. We will be discussing the technical specifications, we'll be doing some power tests. So friends, let's start the video. The gun comes with 0.177 caliber, which generates a maximum velocity of 128 meters per second or 420 feet per second. The gun generates up to 4.3 joules of power. As the gun generates its power from spring piston and the mechanism is brake barrel, the gun is capable of loading and shooting one pellet at a time. The gun comes with rifled barrel, which makes it more accurate and more precise. Well, the front side of the gun is made up of high quality polymer plastic, which makes it accurate and steady. The barrel is made up of steel. The rear sight has windage mode and elevation mode. Well, we have a mounting rail, a dovetail mounting rail for mounting up the scope. The trigger is made up of metal. The stock of the body is made up of polymer or high quality plastic. Well, the gun comes with a manual locking system that can be manually locked and unlocked. The gun comes with a cocking device, which makes it very easy to cock the gun. A very limited pressure is applicable for cocking the gun. Just put the pellet and your gun is ready to fire. Well, you can just put the manual locking system and see it does not fire. Just unlock it and your gun fires. Well, I have personally tested this gun at a range of 25 meters. But today, for testing, we'll be testing this gun at a range of 10 meters. Friends, today I'll be using JSB Match Simply Airgun Pallets. This is a deodorant can, which is made up of hard metal. The gun did not penetrate, but still it has created a lot of dent. Being a 4.3 joules power, still the gun managed to create a lot of damage. Well, you can see what it has done to the soft drink can. We have shot two pallets and both managed to enter and exit through the can. So with this type of light metal sheet, the pallet can easily penetrate and pass through the can. Well, you will find the same results if you shot the gun from a range of 20 meters. Friends, you can use this gun for a maximum range of 35 to 40 meters. Friends, you can see the impact from a 10-meter range. However, the pellet did not enter, but it has created a hole and a big crack in the bottle. Well, friends, this bottle was filled with water. However, the pellet did not enter. It has just rubbed and created a small hole, but it did not damage the bottle at all. So friends, if you like this video, please do hit the like button, please subscribe to the channel, and please share the video. Friends, if you have any questions, any queries regarding this product, please do ask the same in the comment section. So friends, with this note, we'll take your leave, and please be safe. Please make your family safe in this pandemic situations, and we'll surely meet with a new product in a new video. Till then, take care of yourself and have a amazing life.